Bread has been one of the most misunderstood foods in the world of diabetes, largely because for decades people were told that all carbohydrates are dangerous and that bread is automatically harmful, but the reality is far more complex and much more hopeful. What truly matters is not simply whether a food contains carbohydrates, but how those carbohydrates behave once they enter the body, how quickly they are digested, and how fast they turn into glucose in the bloodstream. Before we continue, I'd like to tell you about Diaelon, a powerful blend of 13 natural ingredients, each carefully selected for their proven ability to support healthy blood sugar levels, enhance insulin sensitivity, and promote overall wellness. You can read more on diaelon.com. When most people eat white bread, wheat bread, or even many types of so-called whole grain bread, those refined starches break down almost immediately into sugar, causing blood glucose to shoot upward very fast, forcing the pancreas to release large amounts of insulin in a short time. This leads to sharp spikes followed by equally sharp crashes, leaving people feeling tired, shaky, hungry, irritable, and craving more sugar just hours later. Over time, these repeated spikes damage blood vessels, increase inflammation, worsen insulin resistance, and accelerate the progression of diabetes and its complications. The tragedy is that people often blame themselves for a lack of discipline, when in reality they are eating foods that chemically behave like sugar. This is why the conversation should not be about removing bread completely, but about replacing harmful bread with a form of bread that supports stable blood sugar and metabolic health instead of destroying it. Sprouted whole grain bread is fundamentally different from conventional bread because of what happens at the very beginning of its production, when the grains are allowed to sprout before being ground into flour. When a grain begins to germinate, it is no longer dormant, but becomes biologically active, triggering enzymes that start breaking down complex starches into simpler, more digestible forms, while also increasing the availability of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This process reduces the amount of rapidly digestible carbohydrate and increases the amount of slowly digestible fiber and protein, which completely changes how the bread affects blood sugar. Instead of acting like a sugar bomb in the bloodstream, sprouted grain bread releases glucose gradually, giving the body time to respond properly and keeping insulin levels from spiking. This is extremely important for people with diabetes because the pancreas is already under stress, and reducing the demand for rapid insulin release helps preserve its function. In many ways, sprouted bread works with the body's natural biology rather than fighting it, allowing people to enjoy bread while still protecting their metabolic health. Fiber is one of the most powerful tools for controlling blood sugar, and sprouted grain bread contains significantly more usable fiber than conventional bread because the sprouting process makes that fiber more accessible and effective. Fiber slows the movement of food through the digestive system, meaning carbohydrates take longer to be broken down and absorbed, which prevents large amounts of glucose from flooding the bloodstream all at once. This steady absorption keeps blood sugar levels smoother and more predictable, reducing the risk of dangerous highs and the crashes that follow them. Over time, high-fiber foods also improve insulin sensitivity, which means the body becomes better at using the insulin it produces, lowering overall glucose levels. The fiber in sprouted bread also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which further improves inflammation control and glucose metabolism. When fiber is combined with the natural plant protein and healthy fats found in sprouted grains, it creates a uniquely balanced food that keeps people full longer, reduces emotional eating, and minimizes the urge to reach for sugary snacks. Glycemic load is another critical factor that most people do not consider, yet it may be even more important than the glycemic index when it comes to diabetes management. Glycemic load takes into account both how fast a food raises blood sugar and how many carbohydrates it contains in a realistic portion, which gives a much clearer picture of how that food will affect glucose levels. Sprouted grain bread has a significantly lower glycemic load than white bread, wheat bread, and most commercial whole grain breads, meaning a slice will not overwhelm the bloodstream with glucose. This allows diabetics to eat bread without triggering the dangerous roller coaster of energy surges and crashes that sabotage blood sugar control. When blood sugar remains steady, people experience better focus, more consistent energy, fewer cravings, and less stress on the body's organs. This stability makes long-term diabetes management much easier and far less exhausting. The benefits of sprouted bread go far beyond blood sugar alone because it also improves gut health, which plays a surprisingly large role in diabetes, inflammation, and hormone regulation. The sprouting process reduces compounds such as phytic acid that normally bind to minerals and block their absorption, while also making the bread easier to digest and gentler on the stomach. A healthier gut allows nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and iron to be absorbed more effectively, which directly supports insulin function and glucose metabolism. It also reduces chronic low-grade inflammation, which is a major contributor to insulin resistance and diabetic complications. When the digestive system is healthy, the immune system is calmer, hormones are better regulated, and the pancreas does not have to work as hard to control blood sugar, creating a chain reaction of benefits throughout the entire body. Sprouted grain bread is also far more nutrient-dense than regular bread, which makes it especially valuable for people with diabetes who often suffer from hidden nutrient deficiencies. Magnesium helps improve insulin sensitivity. B vitamins support nerve health and energy production, and zinc plays a role in wound healing and immune defense, all of which are commonly compromised in diabetics. High blood sugar causes the body to lose minerals through the urine, which increases nutritional needs and makes replenishing them through food especially important. Sprouted bread provides these nutrients in their natural form, where they are better absorbed and utilized by the body compared to synthetic supplements. This nourishment supports better circulation, stronger nerves, and more stable energy, helping to prevent many of the complications associated with diabetes. Another reason sprouted bread is so powerful is that it contains no refined flour and no added sugars, which are two of the most damaging ingredients for anyone with blood sugar problems. Refined flour has been stripped of its fiber and nutrients, leaving behind starch that behaves almost exactly like pure sugar in the bloodstream. When combined with added sugars, this creates a food that causes extreme glucose spikes and inflammation. Sprouted bread avoids this completely by using whole, living grains that retain their natural structure, fiber, and nutrients. This means every slice works to nourish the body instead of overwhelming it, allowing people to eat bread as part of a healthy lifestyle instead of feeling like they are committing a health crime with every bite. Eating sprouted bread on a daily basis can dramatically improve appetite control, which is one of the biggest challenges for people living with diabetes because so many blood sugar problems are driven by uncontrollable hunger and constant cravings rather than true physical need. When blood sugar stays stable throughout the day, hunger hormones such as ghrelin, which triggers appetite, and leptin, which signals fullness, are able to function more normally and stay in balance, preventing the intense urges that drive overeating, snacking, and weight gain. This hormonal balance makes it much easier to stick to healthy portions, avoid binge eating, and feel satisfied after meals instead of constantly searching for more food. As a result, people naturally begin to maintain a more stable body weight without feeling deprived or forced to diet. What makes sprouted bread especially life-changing is that it allows people to enjoy familiar foods like toast, sandwiches, and breakfast meals without guilt, fear, or the anxiety that usually comes with eating bread when you have diabetes. Instead of feeling like every slice is doing damage, sprouted bread becomes a safe and supportive part of a balanced diet. When it is paired with protein and healthy fats such as eggs, avocado, cheese, or nut butter, digestion slows even further, allowing glucose to enter the bloodstream gradually and keeping blood sugar levels steady for hours. This makes the entire meal extremely blood sugar friendly while also being deeply satisfying. Because meals are more filling and enjoyable, healthy eating starts to feel natural rather than restrictive, which is essential for long-term success. People are far more likely to stick to a lifestyle that includes foods they love and recognize than one that feels like constant deprivation and struggle. Sprouted bread makes it possible to feel satisfied, normal, and healthy at the same time, removing the emotional burden that often comes with managing diabetes. Over weeks and months, consistently choosing sprouted grain bread instead of conventional bread can lead to meaningful improvements in fasting blood sugar, post-meal glucose levels, and A1C, which reflects average blood sugar over several months. These improvements mean that the body is experiencing fewer extreme highs and lows, allowing organs and tissues to recover from constant glucose stress. Many people also notice fewer energy crashes, clearer thinking, and more stable moods because their brain is no longer being subjected to sudden glucose spikes followed by rapid drops. This mental and physical stability makes daily life easier and more productive. At the same time, these improvements reduce stress on the heart, kidneys, eyes, and nerves, lowering the risk of serious diabetic complications such as heart disease, vision loss, and nerve damage. What seems like a small dietary change, simply switching one type of bread for another, can quietly create powerful long-term protection when practiced consistently every day. This is why sprouted whole grain bread truly deserves to be called the #1 bread for diabetics, because it transforms bread from a problem into a powerful solution that works with the body instead of against it. Instead of spiking blood sugar and fueling inflammation and disease, it stabilizes glucose, supports healthy gut bacteria, nourishes the cells with essential nutrients, and helps insulin function more effectively. This combination creates a foundation for better energy, better metabolism, and better overall health. By making this one simple switch, people can enjoy bread again without fear, while protecting their long-term well-being, increasing their daily energy, and building a future with fewer complications and more freedom. It proves that living with diabetes does not have to mean giving up the foods you love, but rather learning how to choose the versions that truly support your health.